What's going on, y'all, man? Here I'm back with another video, and today we got an install video going on this Scat Swap 300. Say what up.
What up,
Well, I don't know where I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna just drop this wherever. I don't care where. I was gonna give y'all like a video on this car that we built, but it's all good. I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around right quick. We got the appearance bumper, the Brembo, Scat wheels. It's a full Scat Swap. 392 swap, 300. Today we're gonna be installing the rear diffuser, as y'all can see, because a regular V6 300 comes with like these little ugly ass like fake exhaust tips, and when you throw them big boy 392 that 392 exhaust on there, it don't fit, so you gotta take them little exhaust tips off, and then it leaves this little ugly melted valence. And either way, this valence or diffuser don't even look that great. You know, I have to throw a bag over the plate because y'all be on some fast shit. But I'm also gonna show y'all what's been going on, because it had a little issue with the dude that wired the taillights and the headlights. He shorted the BCM. So right now we're changing all 3 computers out. Had to strip it, but and now I'm gonna whip out the what's it called, the diffuser, so y'all can see. Yeah, it's cut as fuck. We out here though. We have to put the heat on. We got the tools. It's warm here. Hell no, it's heated up. This heater putting in work, but the only thing hot is the heater. That's fucked up. But yeah, we got the diffuser right here. It's nice gloss black, but as y'all can see, it has these big holes for the exhaust tips. We got the diffuser on the 450. It's a 450, right? You know, I don't know shit about bikes. I ain't about that bike life. I'm about that fast life. Huh? The Banshee.
Dude.
Hop on the dirt, Beezy.
I'm good.
Nah, but I'm trying to grab the diffuser. Here's all the interior pieces for the 300 though. You have to do the 300S seats in there, you know. Sleeper, Scat Swap. So basically, it's 4 clips right there on the bottom.
This joint from the...
Hell yeah.
You gotta take the bumper off.
Why?
Take these clips out from the front.
Cap.
Unless we like wedge something in through here, but that shit might damage the bumper.
Nah, I doubt it, because on the Scats it's like that too. But I don't know, we're gonna try to pop this little diffuser off. And I'm seeing right now we're gonna have to change out the little the reflectors too. So we're gonna whip out the tools and try to get this diffuser up on here, get the looking, get the good before and after. But yeah, if you finna put this bumper on,
You stupid.
on your car, don't even bother trying to yank it off, or not yank it off, but like unclip it. Just go ahead and take the bumper off. And while you at it, find yourself somewhere good to work on the car, because it's cold as fuck outside. And yeah, and it just got done raining too, so we out here freezing like a motherfucker. While he do that, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to do real quick. Or let me show y'all the parts. The troca. That's why I don't know where I'm gonna put the video, but this the daily right here. You know, a little truck on 22s. There's a little grill, the headlights, you know, a little bullshit, a little daily. I don't really care for it. Maybe I'll give y'all a video on it one day. But, yep. Damn. We got a BCM, RF hub, and a PCM. If y'all don't know, this goes in the motor, this goes in the under the dash, and this right here goes in the back by the speakers. This right here is what reads your key. But yeah, we're gonna change these 3 out real quick and take the bumper off and see what's good. Let me know if y'all like these types of videos, showing y'all what I be doing. I don't know how good the camera is. Oh yeah, like how good the camera angles are. I'm just recording for real. I got the bumper off. We didn't even have to take out the wheels. It goofy as hell. But as y'all can see, there's 2 clips there. 1, 2, 3, and then I think there's screws holding this on. Oh no, the screws holding on the screws are holding on the reflectors, and then the rest should just be clips. Diffuser off. Oh, the clips are down there. I'm about to try to move this out of the way. It's just those clips and the screws. Alright, so the diffuser's off. They're just a whole bunch of little dumbass clips.
And the rivets, you can't forget them rivets, man.
Oh, yeah.
Them things is annoying.
Nothing easy though. You just pry it out and it comes off. And then if these clips, 1, 2, 3, 4 clips on the bottom of the car. It's 2 screws holding these to the bumper, and then it's what else is those 2? The 2 rivets, and then it's 3 clips holding this into the bumper, and this clips onto that. So get a clip tool, a T. What is this right here?
T25? Yeah, T25.
T25. And get one of these bad boys right here, and you good. And then the 2 10mm for the bumper. For the taillights, they're just some little spinny things. But you trying to take that pipe off that bitch? The pipe off the jack. You about to put the bumper on? Oh, damn.
That's why I ain't do it, but fuck it.
Damn.
We're good. That's lower end damage. That don't matter. Unless we finna have motherfuckers like, oh shit, damn.
Man, that shit ain't do nothing. We finna hang the bumper up there on the car, and then put the diffuser on the quick stuffs. Yes, we still got the bag on that shit. But just hang it there. That's what it look like without a diffuser. Goofy as hell.
You got the whoop right here. Shiny thing. Hold on. Very short.
We gotta put these on. Very kind of broken. Talk about that. Wraps. You got a scuff in it now. Oh. Ooh. JK.
Damn, mama whiskey looking
Good. Woo.
the mama whiskey.
The real cut now.
Look at his hair. He's certified.
Alright, look. 4.
Both of them back to back. You can see the difference, bro. This shit is ugly. Ooh, damn, them Crocs. Fuck, them the work Crocs. But look, y'all. That whoop right here, no good. That's no good. See how deep that one is?
Yeah. I don't even want to put these on, so I'm gonna put them on, but I'm not gonna screw them. What you think? This be fucked up, boy.
Oh yeah, he might as well just get some new tinted out LED markers to go with the tail lights.
Should I leave them or should I take them off?
Caught on her.
Get that boy on camera. Oh shit.
Dude, you putting this all up in there.
That shit broken. This piece, the little light. Damn, my phone just died. We got the reflectors on that bitch. Ready to go.
Looking nice and pretty. Yeah, that bitch doing the ka-chow.
That bitch doing the ka-chow like that. don't need more seats. There we go. Oof. Oof. Now we just gotta put it at the right little spot. Look, take it off. That's about it. Alright, let me do it. Man, my bad, bro. I'm over here. I forgot I was recording. Oh, bro, stop here.
Tap in. Not going in. That bitch do look hard.
Yeah, I gotta take the bumper back off so we can put on the back.
That bush.
Alright, that boy, I don't even know what y'all think. It's probably like y'all first time seeing on this plane.
Let me know, bro. Either fire or trash can emoji in the comments for that diffuser, right? I'm trying to see what y'all think.
I know y'all already seen this shit done 100 million times, but
Not from us, though.
yeah, not from us. So shit. 300 with the diffuser. The bag make it look like booty, but it's all good. I think it looks pretty good. It's a subtle change. Look good. Now let's go ahead and knock out these computers real fast. Damn, I forgot. For the front PCM, I gotta take off all this shit. It's all good though. Push down on the hood. Push it down.
Ooh.
Big 392.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ladder, bro. You see the shifting of the. Ooh. Ooh.
Mister, get your shine on. Let me get that.
So basically, what we gotta do now, pop them windshield wipers out, pop all them clips out, take this plastic part out. We might have to take this out too, right?
Don't.
No?
Hell no. It's quick.
It'd be easier though, but yeah.
No, it wouldn't.
It would,
Shit,
though.
quick. This shit gonna happen in. Look.
Four
Y'all
screws.
see it? Nah, y'all don't. Now we're gonna go ahead, unbolt and unplug the BCM, get it out the way, get it out of there. The new PCM doesn't have this bracket, so we're gonna have to put this bracket onto the new PCM. It's not big of a deal. Boy, Kev got the 13. Buzz it, check it out, swap it over on the quick stuff.
Yeah, that bitch stuck hard.
Yeah, so it's the next day. We gotta end up finishing that with the computers and shit. You know, it's nothing but a thing. Y'all probably don't even care about that, but we got them in there. If y'all, you know, computer, but PCM, BCM, and the RF hub in the back. But yeah, let me know what y'all think of that diffuser on the back. I think it looked pretty good. I like how it's like color matched and shit. Look pretty good. I think it like stick out a little bit more, so it looks like a little more aggressive. But yeah, stay tuned for more content. I'm gonna try to post more, stay more consistent, try to run these views back up. But yeah, it's gonna be the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.